Okay, we're doing it. We're on the Manistee. Check it out. That's what it looks like behind me. That's what it looks like ahead. It's pretty. Super pretty.
Give you 10 bucks. It was their thing. Fly with the wings. Fight till the morning sun. Every time we end up in bed, you're tricking me in million ways. Maybe say how we're still the same. Again and again and again. So I heard you close, hoping you'd crack and leave.
Probably about 12:30 right now. I've been paddling for 3 hours maybe. Making good progress. Water is very cold. Very nice. Haven't seen anybody. One fisherman in a boat. That's it. So, I suppose my day's about half done right now.
I'm happy that you're gone, and I'm so much happier now on my
All right, it is 8 o'clock right now. Today was a long day, but super pretty. This river is really pretty. But it's not too fast so that it's dangerous or scary. It's not very deep most of the time. There's some holes where it's deep around corners and stuff, but other than that, it's just a couple feet deep usually. Pretty sandy bottom. I see lots of brook trout minnows. I saw a great blue heron catch a brook trout. I'm pretty sure they're in here. That's all I have to go on. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day for fishing. But anyways, went 25 miles today. We left Jim's Rainbow Landing at, I'm going to say 9:30. And then got on the water and paddled until 4:30. So we did 7 hours. We did 25 miles. That was the plan. We're going to do it again tomorrow. So, yeah, I think I went 25. I think the whole trip is 57. So I'm going to do 25, 25, and 7 on Sunday. And then head on home. That's the plan. I don't think I'll finish tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I'll be too tired. But there's an outside chance I could finish tomorrow, but I don't think so. Yeah, no, the Big Manistee has been fine. I've seen some cabins, but there's been a lot of wilderness. Like right now, I'm completely wilderness. Oh, well. Well, that's it for today. Friday. Busy, busy day. Good day. All right. That's it. Bridge just up ahead. So I guess this is going to be the end of it. Really nice river. We'll come back. I didn't get to fish very much, but I'll be back here to fish. I think he'd like this river. So, okay, Dad. Love you. Catch you later. Bye.